Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today as you can see I have my friend Angel here.
Hi there.
And we have an unboxing for you. What do we have to unbox?
This little thing that we bought today in a store here in Spain. And well, because I am working now, I decided to buy for me something.
So it's the iPad Air, the brand new 2019 iPad Air. Came out in March, in the end of March, and yeah, he bought it today, so he's agreed to unbox it for us. So proceed, please.
Yeah, I will try to keep this one because I sold the the iPad Pro.
That is true. If you remember, I'll put the video here or whatever. We went to the Apple store because he bought the 9.7-inch iPad Pro when it came out. And there's a video about that, and he ended up selling it.
Yeah, well,
and didn't sell it to me until a few months later.
Yeah, exchanged it for a PS4. And
yeah,
well,
priorities.
I missed my old iPad Pro, so I bought this. So well, I'm going to open the box. What do we have here? Wow. Well, it is covered in plastic, the iPad. So here we... Ooh. Yeah, it fell. So here we have the iPad, full of plastic. It was just glue. I was really scared because it seemed it had a dent in the case, but it is alright. Wow. Yes. And well, here we have a lightning cable, as usual.
You can never have too many of those.
I needed one, in fact, so I appreciate Apple. And my 20 watt, no, 10 watt. 10, yeah. 10
oh,
watt.
I thought it was 12.
2 amps and 5 volts power adapter.
I didn't think they made it 10 volts, 10 watts anymore. I thought they made 12.
No, it was always 10 watt. Do you have 12 watt?
My iPad has
12 watt power adapter?
Yes.
I need to see that.
I'll show you later. But yeah, I'm
well,
small surprise there.
Well, here we have the instruction booklet and the stickers as usual. iPad Air, iPad Air, iPad Air, iPad Air.
100 languages.
Oh my gosh.
Where are the stickers?
Here they are.
Oh. You can never have too many of those either.
We are finished with the unboxing, and now I'm going to apply a screen protector because I'm the crazy of the screen protectors. We are going to power it on and configure it with my Apple ID and download some apps. What I don't really like about this iPad is that it doesn't have the promotion display, so the refresh rate is only of 60 Hz. He told me that he doesn't care about that, and I told him I really noticed the difference between 120 Hz and 60 Hz.
On a day-to-day basis, I really don't see a difference.
And also the camera. This is worse than the iPad Pro he has, which is the 10.5. 10.5.
We'll probably do a comparison video.
Yeah, of the cameras because, for example, this is only 8 megapixels and it doesn't record in 4K. Its camera records in 4K.
And it's 12 megapixels.
And it's 12 megapixels. That's why this doesn't record in 4K, because it's only 8 megapixels. And in the wide, I think it doesn't have the pixels that 4K needs. But well, and the 4 speakers system, which this iPad doesn't have. But and the graphic horsepower in its iPad, it's better than in this one.
Yeah, but this one has the A12 chip versus the A10X,
which has a better computing power.
So it's kind of
it's seeing what you care.
The decision was easy for him because they didn't have the 10.5-inch iPad Pro in the store, so there was no decision to make.
Yeah, but if they had the 10.5, I will have a hard time choosing, because I care about the screen, because well, both of them have true tone display, but they have promotion, and for me that's really important. And better camera, which I really care about. But well, I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, and I can record in I can record in 4K. In 4K, and well.
Do you want to take off the plastic?
No, because I want to apply the screen protector. So stop the video and we will proceed later.
Okay.
Let's peel off the plastic.
Very satisfying moment.
Indeed.
Just a bit.
And here we are.
Nice. Looks good. It's the same chassis as my iPad. 10.5-inch iPad Pro.
Why it doesn't power on? Ow. Please don't scare me like that.
But yeah, it's in white, so it looks kind of different compared to mine. Okay, so this was today's video. We unboxed his iPad. He can now use it.
Yeah.
How are you happy with your iPad?
I'm really happy. I have configured it, and now I'm transferring some pictures that I have, about 6,000 pictures to iCloud, and then well, I want to see them in my brand new iPad. So I will wait until it finishes, and well, I'm now going to install some apps. I have installed Twitter, and Discord, Google Maps, YouTube, and the usual ones. Netflix, I have to install Netflix, which is really important.
But yeah, this was today's video. Also a fun fact that we noticed, you know the plastic that the iPad was wrapped in the box? I don't know if you can see it, I'll do my best. But it says Apple Park, like it has the address of Apple, which is in Apple Park. And we thought that was funny.
And one question for you guys, if you have this iPad. I don't know if it is an issue that I have with mine. It's about the screen. It has some, where is the browser here? It has some kind of white marks when you press the back of the iPad.
We have realized that issue, and we don't know if it's supposed to happen, because in my 10.5-inch it doesn't happen.
So
and it's the same chassis, so it should
if you hold it like normal, well, I mean, just not pressing the back of the iPad, it doesn't happen. But if you press slightly, you can see this white mark.
Yeah, right here.
And I don't know if it is an issue or if it is normal in this iPad, but if I hold it like this, which is a normal gesture for holding the iPad, it happens. And I don't know if it is normal or if I have to return the iPad, which I don't want to, because I have applied the screen protector. I don't know. Well,
so if you guys know, you can leave down below in the comments and help us. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye.
Bye.